door latch sticking? Let me tell you, that annoying little snag can totally mess with your day, but fixing it is way easier than you think. So, first up, if your door latch is sticking, you gotta check if the latch mechanism is dirty or grimy. Grab a cloth and give it a good wipe down, especially around the metal parts where dirt and dust love to build up. Next, spray some lubricant like silicone spray or even a bit of graphite powder right into the latch. This helps it slide smoothly without getting stuck. Don't just spray and forget it. Move the latch back and forth a few times so the lubricant spreads evenly all over the inside. If you notice the latch is still stubborn, look at how the strike plate lines up on the door frame. Sometimes it's just out of whack, so loosening the screws and adjusting the plate a little can make the latch catch properly again. Another tip is to check for any rust on the latch. If it's rusty, gently rubbing it with some fine sandpaper or steel wool can clean it up. And hey, if everything looks good but it's still sticky, the door might be swollen from humidity. Try tightening or adjusting the hinges to fix that. Lastly, don't ignore regular maintenance. Cleaning and lubricating your door latches every few months can save you from future headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a door latch sticking problem is ignoring the buildup of dirt and grime. This just makes things worse, so regular cleaning is key. Another common issue is using the wrong type of lubricant. Oil-based stuff can actually attract more dirt, so silicone spray or graphite powder are way better options. A third problem is not checking the alignment of the strike plate. Even a tiny misalignment can cause the latch to stick or jam, but just loosening screws and repositioning it usually fixes that quick. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're looking for trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home repairs, like fixing door latches. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who need their skills, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.